Whoa! Today is day 24 of documenting my journey of creating SpaceWise. And yeah, the plan for today is gonna be right now cooking my meat, going to school, going back from school, eating, going to the gym, and working. And that's basically it. Because today I woke up pretty late and I'm not proud of that, but that's what happened. So yeah, I'm not gonna be able to work as much today. Maybe, I don't know, but yeah, right now I'm gonna go eat a bag of peanuts because I don't have more time. And yeah, so I'll see you in a second. One more thing I wanted to say is that today I'm gonna be mostly thinking about what would be the perfect day I wanna live, What would be the perfect day I live in this exact moment, like right now. For example, how do I align my life to my work, to this YouTube channel, to creating SpaceWise the best? How could I align it? Maybe instead of eating that much, instead of bulking, I eat a bit less and I cut. That would mean that I will get more time to work. Maybe I don't know. I need to change my character traits because right now I'm not the man that I want to be. I'm not happy with what I'm doing. There's a lot of many bad things that I have. For example, bro, I could leave something dirty in the floor for days, and that's just disgusting. I don't want to do that anymore. I never wanted to do that, but I let it be. So I'm gonna be honest. I just I don't like what I'm doing. I do like my work and I like learning, and time just flies by. I wish I had more time to learn, and to code and stuff like that, but that's why I'm thinking about how can I align my life to my work. And I think that would make me much more fulfilled and happy. I don't know, I might be wrong, but that's what I'm gonna try to do. So yeah, I'm gonna get these peanuts done, and then I'm gonna go for a bike ride and just clear my head. Then I'll go to school and I'll cook the meat after school and I'll eat there. So see you after. Bye bye.
What's up? Just got back from school, and yeah, I was thinking in school about what I said in the morning, what I just said, basically, and I have created a schedule that I think would be much better for me, so I'm just gonna show this to you. Oh, I think it's here, yeah. So as you see, I go to sleep, we got 8 hours on gym days. We have 8:15, 8 hours and 15 minutes, a bit more. I mean, sometimes we need it. I probably won't make much of a difference, 15 minutes, but who knows. Then yeah, here I do planning, here I just work like crazy. You see that my videos will go out Tuesday, Thursday, Friday and Sunday. They usually don't go out Monday or Friday or Saturday or Wednesday, because here I'm working on my math A-levels and I have a separate channel for that in Portuguese because I live in Portugal. Then I meditate while I'm in a cold shower, so this is like time management, productivity stuff. I mean, I was looking at one of my old calendars and I saw this and I remember that I enjoyed it and it was fun and it was nice. So I'm gonna try it again. Then cooking and going to school, this will probably take more time, but I'll try not to, I'll see. What I'm thinking about in here in the morning, cooking and going to school. Here I want to eat at the same time that stuff gets cooked. And how do I do that? Well, my plan is, instead of doing scrambled eggs, I just eat them raw, just 12 eggs raw, and with the stuff, the peanuts, and I just blend them with water and done. So that would probably take less time than scrambled eggs and the peanuts separately. So I think that's gonna be pretty nice. I just wanna maximize the amount of work, or the amount of time I have to work. Then we have here to edit, upload the video, gym twice a week because not my priority this year. Like when school ends, I will train every day, seven times per week. Yeah. I mean, here's night routine, like to, yeah, and I think that's it. That was basically what I was thinking. So right now I'm gonna cook the meat and finish the peanuts. Yep, because I couldn't finish them in the morning. And go to the gym. Let's get it. Change of plans. I'm not gonna cook the meat. Instead, I'm gonna make the breakfast that I just talked about. I'm doing this because I didn't put the meat out of the freezer, so cooking it right now would be very time consuming and it would not taste good at all. So I'm just gonna put a timer and see how long it takes me to make this breakfast and eat it. So yeah, let's do it. Cheers. Not bad. Not bad at all. Let's say hi to hello, hello. You want some? Wait. You're not gonna drink this. Alright, still have to drink all of this. Let's see how long it takes. I'm back. I have eaten. I have done everything. My bag is done. Wait, you can't see anything. Oh, my bag is done for the gym. And let's get it. Yep, let's go. Just finished with the gym. Right now, going to the e-bike station to get my bike. Well, I mean, it's not mine, but get one of the bikes, you know. Go home and yeah, I guess edit this video. Record. Oh my god, you don't hear anything probably. Record the summary and we ball. Let's go. Bike damaged, so I'm just walking. Yeah, unfortunate. Back at home right now in the kitchen. Yeah, I couldn't go with the bike because it was just, I don't know bro, the pedal, I don't know if you say pedal, I'll put a caption here. yeah, the pedal was broken. You couldn't like move it, right? You couldn't press against it. It would just fall. One of the pedals. So yeah, I just couldn't go, bro. But anyways, I walked and it was a nice walk. Right now I'm just gonna let's see if the word comes. I don't know. I'm gonna deload, debag, and put the dirty clothes on the dirty place. Not dirty place, the place where the clothes. Bro, I'm just gonna give up. My brain doesn't work. The place where the dirty clothes go. Yes, that's it. Let's go. Yo, so the summary of the day. I did nothing related to SpaceWise and like pushing the needle. So I don't have much to say, to be honest. This was one of those days where like I depend of the morning to get work done, because in the afternoon like there's no time, especially if I have to go to school and then to the gym and stuff. There's no time, then I have to edit this video. But I'm not saying this out of to put me on a victim mindset or something, to make myself look like a victim. Like I deserve this, and I'm like, of course I'm gonna take accountability for this, and this was not good, and I'm not proud of this, but days like this happen. And yeah, I've taken some action from this day, and at school at least I thought about the schedule. As you see, I have shown it to you. The only thing I've changed is this, because at school I didn't remember that I cleaned my room and called my family on Sundays. But yeah, so this is what I do. I just clean the room and the kitchen stove. I call like my father, my grandmother, my grandfather, my little sister. That like my grandfather lives in Ukraine, and yeah, while the war is going on, and then my other part of like the other part of my family is living in Spain. So I just call them every week to like see how they are doing, to just talk to them, and yeah, I'll call them over here. Then something, I don't know what I'm doing here, to be honest. I haven't thought of it, so I just said something. I'll probably just start editing the video, and I don't know. I'll see. Next. Yeah, that's basically it. I don't have much more to say. I'm not gonna waste your time, so that's what I have to say. I wish you a very nice day, and happy Thanksgiving if you see this from America. I don't know if it's today or if it was yesterday, but anyway, I don't know. Bye bye. Have a nice one.